Hello students, today we are solving exercise 5.6, that is differentiation of parametric equation. If x and y are connected parametrically by the equation, find dy by dx, x equal to, without eliminating we have to find the differentiation, x equal to 2at square, y equal to at raised to 4, differentiate x with respect to theta, 2a constant, keep it as it is, differentiation of t raised to 2, that is x raised to n form, n x raised to n minus 1. So n is 2 here, 2 t raised to 2 minus 1 is 1, 2t. So 2 into 2, 4 at, dx by d theta is 4 at, and y equal to a t raised to 4, a t raised to 4, x raised to n form again, 4 t raised to 3, n x raised to n minus 1. So this equal to dy by dt equal to 4a t raised to 3. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This equal to, what is dy by dt here? 4a t cube, 4a t raised to 3 divided by dx by dt is 4a. 4 will get cancelled, a will get cancelled, 1 t will get cancelled with this one. So our answer is t raised to 2. This is example 1 of exercise 5.6. Come to the next example. X equal to a cos theta and y equal to b cos theta. By the same method we are solving. Differentiate x with respect to theta. a keep it as it is, constant के साथ है. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So our dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. Here y equal to b cos theta, dy by d theta equal to b constant है, ऐसे ही रखो. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So dy by d theta equal to minus b sin theta, and dy by dx equal to dy by divided by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. This equal to dy by d theta is minus b sin theta divided by dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. So minus sign will get cancelled, sin theta will get cancelled. Our answer will be b by a. Therefore dy by dx equal to b by a. This is the second example of exercise 5.6. I hope you understood this problem. Come to the next question. Third question. Here our third question is x equal to sin t and y equal to cos 2t. Again differentiate x with respect to t, that is dx by dt equal to, differentiation of sin t is cos t. Differentiate y with respect to t, differentiation of cos 2t, cos u. Suppose u equal to 2t, then you have to differentiate cos u du by dx. Differentiation of cos 2u is cos u du by dx. So cos 2t, differentiation of u is cos 2t is minus sin 2t into differentiation of 2t. Differentiation of cos 2 is minus sin 2t into differentiation of 2t is 2. So this is minus 2 sin 2t. This is dy by dt. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Here dy by dt is minus 2 sin 2t minus 2 sin 2t divided by dx by dt is cos t. So write sin 2t equal to 2 sin t cos t, 2 sin t into cos t divided by cos t. So cos t will get cancelled. Here minus, our answer is minus 4, 2 to the 4 into sin t is our answer. So this is the third example. Now come to the fourth example. Here x equal to 40, x equal to 4t and y equal to 4 divided by t. So differentiate x with respect to t. 4, keep it as it is. Differentiation of t is 1 because we are differentiating with respect to t. And dy by dt, keep 4 as it is. Differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square, because 1 by t means t raised to minus 1 it is. T raised to minus 1. Differentiation of t raised to minus 1 is minus 1, t raised to minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 divided by t raised to 2. So if it will come in a denominator, it will become positive. So differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Here dy by dt is minus 4 divided by t square. Dx by dt is 4. 4 will get cancelled. Our answer will be minus 1 divided by t raised to 2. Now come to the next example. Here x equal to a into bracket theta minus sin theta, y equal to a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. So differentiate with respect to x. So take x as dx with respect to theta, keep a as it is. Differentiation of theta is 1 minus differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So this is dx by d theta. Take y equal to a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. This is very simple example. Differentiate y with respect to theta again. Keep constant a as it is. Differentiation of 1 constant is 0. And differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So this will become minus a sin theta. Now dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So our dy by d theta is minus a sin theta minus a sin theta divided by dx by d theta is a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. Here it is minus 1 minus cos theta, a into bracket 1 minus cos theta. So by using trigonometric functions equations, we will get AL will get cancel. So sin theta in terms of half angle is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 1 minus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, 1 cos theta will cancel. So sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Our answer is tan theta by 2. Here we have taken sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. In class 11 we have studied. So in terms of half angle, it will become sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 1 minus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So our answer will be tan theta by 2. This is the sixth example. Now come to the seventh example.